I get to go can lose. Okay. Hey everybody, so today's the last day of the regional championships and my hair looking a mess, but yeah. Okay.
Hi you guys, this is day 4. 5.
No, wait, maybe not. I don't know. It's the last day.
This is 4. This is day 4. At UNM track meet. Today we have the relays. Tati said she's going to go 49 on her third leg today.
Shut up, Jari.
So I'm going to be vlogging that because looking forward to it. And she's also going to be running the 4x1 in Spirit.
Yeah, we're in traffic. I'm the worst vlogger ever. It's not gonna focus too far back. Yeah.
Why'd they go dark?
I don't even know. Feeling lightning. Yeah, and you wanna say something?
What's up?
That's all you wanna say?
Yeah, bro. I ain't got shit to say. You know what I'm saying, bro?
You know what I'm saying, bro?
You know what I'm saying?
Bye.
Shortest vlog ever.
No,
You're sitting with the most handsome guy in NCAA. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we watching the track meet. Yeah, we punch our ticket to Austin. Right now, kind of looking rough. But by Austin, I'm gonna be the most, handsome man in track and field right now. Yeah. Right now we're here with our buddy X. What you saying, X? How you liking the meet so far?
Enjoying it, man. Nice time's running. He was the winner earlier this season at the Drake Relay. The junior from Purdue, Josh Drain.
So Chase, what's the expectation for this 200? What your expectation for the 200?
I want somebody to draw 19-9.
The Atlantic Coast Conference champion.
What's the expectation for the 200?
On the grounds at the University of Virginia. That is Jordan Scott.
Yeah. Be watching that, you know what I'm saying?
In that same competition in Charlottesville from Florida State. He was fourth in our indoor championships, the four-time All-American.
I did.
Much rice. To order it.
Well, it was part of my meal.
Oh, you got it? Like you already had it?
Yeah. Ask Petty. I'm sure it'll be fine. Yo. I said that because I'm starving.
Fellas, what y'all want to sip on? Want to see what the fascination with this? Hey. Hi guys, we're at a crab shack here in Jacksonville, Florida. I know we just finished the NCAA preliminary round track meet. We had a really good track meet here. We had several persons advancing to Austin. And I just want to say, go Cox. Now we're gonna eat some seafood and get ready to attack the people in Austin. See you there, guys. Where's up?
see you there. You coming? You coming?
No, I just.
He's not gonna take you?
On the 4x4.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Aaliyah, say bye.
Let's go to the beach.
Say bye.
Bye.
I didn't really do it like how I thought I was gonna do it,
Look,
but
the beach
yeah.
is right there.
We won the 4x4. Where?
Look, we right here. The beach is right there.
Come, let's go.
Bye.
We're going to the beach. We're gonna come back.
What, the beach I see right there?
Yes.
Oh, literally, come on.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. Pull up. It's right there. I can't see. So we're going to the beach. The beach. The beach. The beach, Eric. Say hi. This is me closing the vlog that I barely. Oh, I seen this in SpongeBob. I seen that in SpongeBob.
Yo.
Haley? Come on, come in the vlog.
Let's go to the beach.
Oh, you're here in the way.
getting so excited.
Yo, myself blood clot and I'm walking.
Oh my god, we going.
No, we can keep on going.
I think it ends though.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't end. It doesn't end.
It doesn't end. We can
No,
go
it
right to the
doesn't.
beach.
Guys.
Yeah.
Where Haley? Come on, Haley.
What's up?
Hopefully Coach Friday can freak out, but this.
Why would you freak out about going to the beach?
Because it's dark.
It's dark as
No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
You guys are still walking.
There's like a marsh and then the beach.
But
We are in Miami.
Aaliyah was like, let's go to the beach, guys.
You know you thought it was far.
Yeah, I thought it was far.
Oh, we should get a group picture.
Oh, let me take it. All right, bye vlog.
You won't be